Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my video today I'm going to show you my new favorite feature of OpenBOM for Solidworks. As you know, OpenBOM have introduced a new browser, embedded browser in Solidworks, which allows you to navigate to assembly sub-assemblies, basically edit your bill of materials with the embedded browser inside of SolidWorks. But one of my favorite features is contextual navigation. So think about you have a particular assembly. Just by clicking this assembly, you're getting the same assembly loaded in this browser. So in such a way, you can quickly navigate between different assemblies and see the context of this assembly, and you can see all information that is associated with this assembly in SolidWorks. Now, it works all the time that you have bill of materials created for this particular assembly. Now, if I navigate to a different assembly, what it will do, that it automatically will open bill of materials for this assembly. So I think it's super cool, and it allows you very easy to navigate between information in OpenBOM in a very natural form. So I hope you will like it. And again, it's all available for you. Just register for free, install OpenBOM for SolidWorks, and you should be ready to go with your 14 days free trial. Experiment with all OpenBOM features and functions. So take a look, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you very much.